This is a bunch of gym gear we've accumulated over the past few months. And here's the proposed gym area, looking very untidy and in need of some desperate TLC. So let's get to it. I'm going to be honest with myself, we're on the cusp of being old, and getting up isn't as effortless as it used to be. So, in a rare moment of wisdom, I'm trying to get ahead of it, hence, the gym. First job, clearing out the branches I've gathered on my walks. Yep, I'm that bloke you see hauling logs down the street, but if you've got a log burner, you get it. You're always on the lookout for free fuel. I'm using a Makita 18V chainsaw, cracking little tool. Cuts through logs up to 150mm or 6 inches in old money, as long as they're dry. Go at it too hard for 20 minutes though, and it'll throw a paddy and cut out. Worth knowing if you want one for yourself. Those 2 bags of logs have been burnt now. They served me well for the last 2 weeks of the cold spell in winter, and probably saved me about 20 quid in central heating. This thing here is a drawer unit I built for my Transit Custom. That van went 3 years ago, and this has been getting in the way ever since. Part of me didn't want to part with it, but I don't see myself buying another van anytime soon. So to make way for the gym, it has to go. Perhaps stupidly, I took the wood to the tip, but it was covered in gunky spray adhesive, so it couldn't be burnt. And building something with it would have been a little bit unpleasant. Starting to take shape now with that out the way. I had offered these lovely hardwood shelves to my mate Rick, but they're being used now. If you're watching, Rick, sorry. This whole process took me about 3 hours. A few months ago I would have been sat on my backside watching TV on the sofa. This is definitely a better use of my time. I also need to figure out a better place to store all these cable reels up on the shelves there. Future Man Things project coming your way soon, no doubt. So, it's all coming together now. I do want to paint this floor, but it seems like a massive job. Suggestions for a cheap and easy floor covering in the comments, please. I definitely need some wall decorations too, all in good time. Expensive stuff this unit, lark. So, there you go, gym area done. When I finish tidying this place up in 400 years, I might actually get to use it. Please hit that like and subscribe, and if you hit the notification bell, you'll get to hear my dulcet tones once again in about a week's time. Until then, bye bye!